Welcome back guys, we are here with our next video. So let's start. One of my goals within this course of MS Excel is not only to help you in learning its features, but to become as efficient as possible as you work as a master of MS Excel. Just knowing how to use Excel is not enough. Microsoft Excel offers a ton of keyboard shortcut keys to work seamlessly. There are a bunch of shortcut keys that you can use in Microsoft Excel to ensure smooth workflow and enhance productivity. So in this video, you will get to know about the shortcut keys that will make your life super easy. So there are few shortcut keys which I am here presenting you in a PDF form, and we will give you the link of this PDF in our description box so you can download the file from there. So let's start. So first is Control plus N. Holding a control button, you have to press N from your keyboard and your new Excel workbook will open. Just like that, if you have to save a workbook. In my previous videos, I have told you about how you can save a workbook, but if you want to add a shortcut to it, you just have to press Control button, and with that you have to click on S and a saving dialog box will appear. So it will help you to save a workbook. So there are many of the Excel shortcuts which I have categorized here. So if you want to copy some content from a selected Excel or a cell, you can press Ctrl plus C. If you want to select all the cells in a workbook, then you can click Ctrl plus A. If you want to print your Excel file without going to any file menu button, and from there you can print, you can just have a shortcut like Ctrl plus P. Ctrl plus B to make your contents in a selected cell bold. Ctrl plus F4 to close your Microsoft Excel. Delete key to remove the content which are in your cell. To shift to a next cell, you can use an arrow keys given on your keyboard. So here is the shortcut keys of MS Excel. So we will be using each and every shortcut key in our next video. So you can download this file from the link given in the description box. And if you have any query regarding this, you can ask your questions in a comment box. Thank you. Hope you all liked the video. I'm Diksha. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new video.